Nostr Artificial Intelligence and Trading Bots, the Role of AI in Crypto Trading. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly become a crucial component of the financial industry, particularly in the realm of trading. In the volatile and fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, AI-powered trading bots are increasingly being used to optimize trading strategies, manage risk, and maximize profits. This essay explores the role of AI in crypto trading, examining its benefits, challenges, and the future of AI-driven trading in the cryptocurrency market. The rise of AI and trading AI has transformed traditional trading by introducing sophisticated algorithms capable of analyzing vast amounts of data and executing trades at lightning speed. In the cryptocurrency market, where prices can fluctuate dramatically within minutes, AI's ability to process real-time data and make split-second decisions offers a significant advantage over manual trading. The role of AI in crypto trading. Data analysis and pattern recognition. AI algorithms excel at analyzing large data sets, identifying patterns, and predicting market movements. In the cryptocurrency market, where data points include historical price data, trading volumes, news sentiment, social media trends, and even blockchain transaction data, AI can uncover insights that may be missed by human traders. These insights are used to develop predictive models that inform trading strategies.